Welcome to Module 5. In this module, we're going to focus on one of the most important aspects of TikTok, storytelling. The ability to craft compelling stories and create videos that hold your audience's attention is essential for success on the platform. We'll dive into the secrets of writing engaging scripts, editing with dynamic pacing, and using hooks and calls to action, CTAs, to keep your viewers engaged. How to create videos that hold attention. TikTok videos are short, and you only have a few seconds to capture your audience's attention. The key to holding attention is to keep your content engaging from start to finish. Here are some tips to create videos that keep viewers watching. 1. Start strong with a hook. The first few seconds of your video are crucial. If you don't capture your audience's attention quickly, they'll scroll past. Use a strong hook at the beginning of your video to get their interest. Start with a question. Do you want to learn how to double your sales? Use shocking facts. 90% of businesses make this mistake on TikTok. Show something visually striking right away, like a behind-the-scenes moment or a product in action. 2. Keep it short and sweet. TikTok thrives on short-form content. The ideal video length is around 15-30 seconds. Make sure to convey your message clearly and quickly. If your video is too long or drags on, viewers may lose interest. 3. Maintain high energy. Energy is contagious. High-energy videos tend to perform better on TikTok, so try to keep your videos upbeat and dynamic. This doesn't mean you have to be overly dramatic, but having a lively and engaging tone can help keep the audience engaged. 4. Create curiosity. Leave some mystery to make viewers want to keep watching. This could be something as simple as teasing a product reveal or ending the video with a cliffhanger. Example: stay tuned to see how this product can change your life. Or, watch until the end to find out how we doubled our sales in 1 week. Secrets of script writing and dynamic editing. Good content starts with a great script. Writing an effective script for TikTok videos isn't just about what you say, but how you say it. Additionally, dynamic editing can elevate the entire viewing experience. 1. Write scripts for short attention spans. Keep your scripts concise and punchy. Focus on the main message you want to deliver and cut out any unnecessary details. TikTok users are scrolling fast, so make every second count. Start with the main point first, then provide a quick explanation or example. Use humor or relatable language to keep things light and fun. 2. Use dynamic pacing in your editing. Pacing is crucial for holding attention. Too slow, and you'll lose viewers. Too fast, and they might miss important details. Here's how to keep your videos dynamic. Jump cuts. Use jump cuts to keep things moving. This can make the video feel faster paced and more engaging. Visual variety. Change up your shots frequently. This could be switching between different angles, using on-screen text, or incorporating effects that grab attention. Fast transitions. Quick transitions between scenes or points can keep viewers engaged. Try to avoid long pauses between cuts. 3. Use visuals and effects to complement the story. TikTok is a visual platform, so make sure your video is visually interesting. Use text overlays, effects, and creative transitions to highlight key moments of your story. Text overlays. These can help reinforce your message, especially for key points or calls to action. Effects. Subtle effects, like zoom-ins, slow motion, or filters, can make your video more engaging and help create the right mood. Using hooks and calls to action. To keep your audience engaged, you need to give them a reason to stay. Hooks and calls to action, CTAs, are powerful tools that encourage interaction and lead to better results.